Tonight is the night where they are launching the Tesla Model S Plaid Edition. We're about to go in the fastest car in production history.
Everybody ready?
Yes.
We've got to show that an electric car is the best car, hands down.
And tonight, we're going to show you the next best version of Model S.
And I brought this along
I love it.
Because we might be breaking a few records.
Hey!
Let's get Elon out here and have him show you how we made the best car in the world.
Model S. This is an ambitious goal to create a whole new kind of car.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I
Well, seats, fantastic. The screen system in there, the computer chips, the way that they work is really, really good. I love the air vents and the way that they function. I love that you can sit in the back seat and you can actually be comfortable and have 5 adults in there and be comfortable. I'm always the person that likes to have better range over better performance. If the Model S long range has the seats, has all of the different features other than maybe
Tap here, or swipe here, to reveal your controls menu, which gives you quick access to functions you'll use most. Tap to create your driver profile, so you can get comfortable and save your settings. Reach down to the side of your seat to adjust its position and lumbar support. To adjust the steering gear, select it on the touchscreen, and then use the left scroll wheel. Tap mirrors and use the same left scroll wheel to adjust each side view mirror. Finally, tap to save these settings to your profile. Your Tesla comes with these backup key cards. You should always keep one with you, and you'll use one to set up your primary key, your phone. Make sure that your phone's Bluetooth is on. Open the Tesla app, select Phone Key, and then follow the prompts. Once set up, as long as your phone is with you, your car will automatically unlock as you approach it. Power on for driving when you press the brake pedal, and lock as you walk away.
feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it in a sense, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Your Tesla has regenerative braking. As you lift off the accelerator pedal, your car will slow down while recapturing and returning energy to the battery pack. It can take a few miles to get used to it, but it maximizes efficiency and control, ultimately making it easier to drive. As you ease off the accelerator at low speeds, your Tesla will also apply the friction brakes to bring you to a gentle stop and hold you there. This makes stop-and-go driving possible using the accelerator pedal only. Of course, as with any other car, press the brake pedal when you need to decelerate rapidly. Point the connector at your charge port and press here to open it, or press on the charge port door itself. The port glows white, indicating that your car is ready to charge. Firmly plug in the connector, and the port will pulse green once charging begins.
Over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still.
that your car is ready to charge. Firmly plug in the connector, and the port will pulse green once charging begins. To unplug, press and hold the connector button and remove the connector once the port turns white. Your charge port door will close automatically.